Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily, high-quality videos to spark your product inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of the best folding desks. If you're in need of space-saving solutions for your workspace, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore the top folding desks that will transform your setup. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Let's make your work or study area more efficient and stylish. Get ready to fold into productivity. Number 1. Elephant's Folding Computer Desk. This versatile folding desk is great for your laptop and can also be used as a kid's table. Need a workspace that doesn't take up much room? The Elephant's Folding Desk is a solid option for laptops. With almost 30 inches across the workspace, you can fit a laptop and accessories easily. Made from steel that's painted white and particle board, this desk blends in easily in modern surroundings. It can also double as a table for kids to work on projects. And at 24 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move from room to room and stores easily. Number 2. Tantrums Writing Desk. Drawers mean you can keep important documents and novel outlines in an organized place, and the fold-down table makes this desk easy to stow in a corner. Whether you're a writer by profession or just enjoy sitting down to journal now and again, you can't go wrong with Tantrums, the best folding desk for writers. This desk has 3 storage drawers, perfect for keeping all your writing tools nearby in case inspiration strikes. The desk folds in a way that allows you to use it as a nightstand or side table when you're done writing for the day. The multifunctional feature is a huge plus if you like your furniture to serve several purposes, which ultimately helps save on space. Plus, it's on wheels, which means you can push it to a new location to get a change of scenery in your own home. Reviews note that this desk takes time to assemble, some estimate it took them between 1 to 2 hours to put it together. However, you get an incredibly convenient desk once it's built. Number 3. Nathan James Collis Drop Leaf. This wooden desk is designed with a drop leaf that lets you use it as a desk or a small dining table. If you're looking for a desk that can do double duty, the Nathan James Collis Drop Leaf desk is an attractive choice. This rustic wooden desk provides a workspace of 40 inches and has a drop leaf construction that allows it to be a fold-down desk or a folding desk table. You can also choose from a brown desk with white legs or a walnut desk with black legs. This versatile piece also doubles as a dining table that can seat 6. Plus, it's easy to assemble and perfect for small apartments or dorms. The innovative drop leaf design allows you to adjust the table's size to fit your needs. When folded, it becomes a compact and unobtrusive piece, perfect for small spaces. When fully extended, it transforms into a spacious dining table, comfortably accommodating your family and guests. Whether you're looking to save space in your kitchen or create a cozy farmhouse atmosphere, the Nathan James Collis table delivers on all fronts. The rustic aesthetic and sturdy construction make it not just a functional piece, but also a beautiful addition to your home. Its versatility knows no bounds. Use it as a workspace, a dining table, or even a stylish console desk. This piece adapts to your needs, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate form and function. Number 4. Handpicked Drop Leaf. Built-in shelves and a fold-down design make this desk blend into your home like a fly on the wall. If you're looking to hold on to every inch of space you possibly can, the Handpicked folding desk is a good choice. Since it mounts to the wall, you don't have to worry about taking up too much room on the ground, and there's the added bonus of having multiple shelves to keep your work tools neat and organized. At 28 pounds, this small foldable desk is on the heavier side, so you should ensure you hang it properly and securely, or else it will end up on the floor. Instead of folding up, which would hide the shelves, it folds down to moonlight as a piece of decor. The desk has a 44-pound load limit, so don't overload it with monitors or heavy decorative knickknacks. Assembly is required, and it takes around 1 to 2 hours to build, per shared user experiences. Number 5. Scoured Lap Desk. Work from your bed, couch, or floor with this handy adjustable lap desk. You can also use it to transform your current desk into a standing desk. Whether you're lounging at home or on the go, the Scoured Lap Desk makes working much more comfortable with its ergonomic features and stylish design. The desk also features a foldable bookstand, a storage drawer ideal for your mobile device, and a non-slip textured design to keep your laptop in place. It's also height adjustable and features 2 auto-lock buttons on each side to seamlessly switch between 5 different height levels to find your ideal viewing angle. You can also use it as a cost-effective way to turn your current sit-down desk into a standing one. Simply stow it under your couch or in a closet when you're done using it for the day. The latch on the left side of the desk that locks the tray tilt also blocks the drawer from opening. Reviews note: if this desk doesn't tickle your fancy, check out our other laptop-friendly desk recommendations.